This is a message for every new person or new client that's trying to engage me as a mortgage broker to represent them for their home loan lending needs, is that I have a message for you. And that is, there are two types of mortgage brokers in this industry that you might not be aware of. And I want to just enlighten you on this before you misunderstand why I'm responding this way. And the two types of mortgage brokers in this market are the fine dine mortgage brokers or the fast food in and out drive-through mortgage brokers. And yes, unfortunately guys, I'm the fine dine mortgage broker, which means there's a set amount of tables and chairs in this restaurant, there's a set amount of meals and a set amount of people that can come and dine at this restaurant. Now guys, I've been operating this boutique independent fine dine model of mortgage brokering for the last 15 years, which means if I get, for example, booked out, well, there is a lot of people who line up to see me. I'm sort of like a specialist model. I'm sort of like, the Jedi or / monk that people travel many miles to see me. Not to be arrogant, but this is my business model. And yes, you can see from when you make a booking on my buy link or website, there is a, tire kicker, whether you're a serious fee that you need to pay once off to enable you to access my calendar to book my services. Now, for the new peeps that try to book my services, you might think, hey Q, you're being pretty arrogant. I have to pick a call 15 minutes or 60 minutes. And when I book a call, I have to jump through hoops, pay a consult fee, and then go through your calendar, which then I have to pick a time that suits you. And most of the time you are booked out. And then I have to fill in your bloody know your client fact find, which by the way, 633 of you TikTok users have filled in with no qualms. And yes, I know you're a best-selling author on Amazon with Keep Calm Mortgage on, and you have more than 100 reviews of your services, which I can see and read. And even though there's most recent reviews of your services that are blowing current customers' minds, I don't want to effing go through your bloody process. I want you to drop everything and call me right now. I read your bloody book. I consumed your content for the last 3 to 6 months. I want you to call me right now, Q. And mate, if you don't call me, like those bloody drive-through brokers, those Uber brokers, those DoorDash brokers, can arrive at my house at my specified time to speak about my bloody home loan services, then you will lose my business. And for you guys, here's my most humble response to you. And it's not, yeah, you know what, take your business elsewhere, I don't care. No, that's pretty arrogant. This is my explanation. Have you seen this film, Taken? Well, I'm the Liam Neeson of home loan lending with the banks that you want to deal with, okay? Your home loan lending is like extracted like his daughter, okay? Kidnapped. You can't get it. People come to me with my special ops Navy SEAL skills to obtain their home loan lending from the bloody banks. I've built my reputation as a specialist broker, okay? That's why people seek my services, and that's why I only have a limited amount of people that I service. Because if I take you on as a client, I'm practically Liam Neeson in the Taken movie. Imagine Liam Neeson in the movie trying to extract your daughter from a hostage situation, and he gets a call from, for example, you, hey, I need you to come to see me for my home loan lending needs, and he drops whatever he's doing to see you. What happens to the existing client that has hired him to extract the daughter? Like, serious guys, I just want to enlighten you about my business model. It's not a drive-through model. It's a specialist model, okay? A drive-through model is basically, they do social media here, and then you book a call to speak to them. It's not the actual broker. It's like a junior broker, or maybe a broker that is a taxi driver and a bloody fitness instructor / broker, okay? Seriously guys, if I'm like the Taken movie and my standard is like the Taken movie, these guys that you see immediately, they have available time to see you immediately, they are like the bloody Teletubbies movie. I seriously don't care if I lose you as a client, because I am not a bloody Teletubby broker, okay? I represent my existing clients that want my expertise and require my time to work on their deals. I'm happy to be independent to serve a limited number of clients. I do not want to scale my business to a point where I'm just like you're just like a numbers game to me. It's very transactional. You deal with junior brokers that I hire, bloody Teletubby brokers. Guys, I'm happy to be a fine dine mortgage broker where there's a set number of people that visit this restaurant and enjoy the meal and leave a 5-star review, as you can see from all my testimonials. I will never ever turn my fine dine specialist model into a Teletubby drive-through broker model, because I'm not after making millions of dollars by scaling my business like a franchise model. I'm happy to not scale, stay small, be a boutique, have a limited amount of clients that I service, and stay authentic to who I am as a person. Which means I'm the bottleneck of my business, which is I'm fine with that. I'm fine with a limited amount of clients, a limited amount of revenue per month, as long as I am the person you're seeing here and the person that's picking up the call that's speaking to you. And I will never ever hire other people to speak to you just to scale and grow this business, okay? So guys, if you want Liam Nielsen on your A team in terms of your property purchase or your finance structuring, well guys, I only ask you one thing: be patient. I have this current model not because I'm arrogant or egotistical sitting on that hill waiting for you to reach me. I have this model because I'm protecting my current existing clients and making sure my standard is as high and as important as his daughter that has been taken. And hey, I'm sure when you become my new client, you expect the same standard I uphold for your services by not being distracted by new clients. But hey, if you like, nah, stuff that, I don't really care, Q, well, there's plenty of Teletubby brokers ready to serve you.